Addition using number line. We're going to be adding these numbers using the number line. Kids love using this to do addition because it's so simple. So let's try this first example. 3 plus 8 using the number line. As you can see, this is a number line. Number line is a straight line. In this place, we are using the horizontal straight line where numbers are written, showing their values, and the numbers are written on equal distances. So when drawing your number line, you have to do it carefully. So let's add these two numbers, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. Let's see if this number line is going to give us the correct answer. So from here, we'll count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, it stopped at 7. So this number line is not complete. You have to extend it to 11. So you can be able to add 3 plus 8. So we take it, this is 7 and this is 8. So that means 3 plus 8 is 11. That is our answer. Let's go to the second example. This one is very simple. We have 2 plus 3. Now we'll locate our number 2 on the number line. Don't forget, the number line starts from 0. There are different kinds of number lines. We're going to be doing that in our other videos. This 2 plus 3, this is our number 2. Now we have to count this 3 to be able to get the sum of these two numbers. So this is 1, 2, 3. It means 2 plus 3 is 5. Or you can easily say this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So this is our answer. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now I want you to try this. Add 1 plus 6 using this number line. Bye.